we will learn addition and subtraction. So our first example is 42 plus 14. Why plus? Because here it is joined. So 4 plus 2, which is 6. 4 plus 1, which is 5. Here also 4 plus 2, which is 6. 4 plus 1, which is 5. Answer is 56 in both the case. The next example is 44 plus 18. 44 plus 1 and here 8. So 4 plus 8, it will be 12. So this is the 1/10. It will go here in the tens place. And here there is 2. It will remain in the ones place only. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 tens and 2 ones. Answer is 62. By another method, 44 plus 18. 4 plus 8, 12. 2. 1 in the tens place. 4 plus 1, 5 and 6. The answer is 62. Our next example is 26 plus 14. How will we do 26 plus 14? So 26 plus 14. So 6 plus 4, which is equal to 10. 0 and 1 carried in the tens place. Because 10 can't be here. So 0 and 1. 2 plus 1, 3 and 4. 4. Answer is 40. In the second case also 6 plus 4. So it will be 1/10. So there will be 1, 2, 3, 4 tens. So 4 and 0 ones. So 0. 40 answers. Now the next question is 42 minus 16. So 42 minus 16. Why minus? Because they flew. They left. In addition, they came. In subtraction, they left. So 2 minus 6 we can't do. So for this, we will take 1/10 here. So this will be 3. This will be 12 because we have taken 1/10 here. So 12 minus 6. Yes, we can do it. It is 6 and 3 minus 1. It is 2. Our answer is 26. In the second case, also we can't do 2 minus 1 to 6. So we will borrow 1/10 from here to here. So this will be 12. 12 minus 6, which is equal to 6. And 4. 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. The answer is 26 in both the cases. The next is 33 birds on a tree and 14 birds flew. They left away. 33 plus 14. So 3 plus 4. Yes, it is 7 and 3 plus... Sorry, it is 33 minus 14. So we can't do 3 minus 4. We will borrow 1 from here. 13 minus 4. It is equal to 9. 2 minus 1. Yes, 2 minus 1 is 1. Our answer is 19. In the second case, we can't do 3 minus 1. So, 1, 2, this tens came here. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, this is the 13 minus 4, which is equal to 9. and 2 minus 1, 1. So our answer is 19 in both the cases. Now, I will give you a question. 44 plus 21 plus 22. How will we do it? So 4 plus 1 plus 2. So 2 plus 1. Yes, 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 4, which is 7. 2 plus 2, 4 and plus 4, 8. Our answer is 87. The next question is 99 plus 99 plus 98. So 99 plus 9, 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8 is equal to 36. We can do it by another method. 8 plus 9 is equal to 17. 17 plus 9 is equal to 26. So 6 and 2 will be carried here. And 9 plus 9 plus 9. So 9 into 3. 9 plus 9, 18. And 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. Plus 2 is equal to 29. So our answer is 296. This is 29. So we will write 29 like this. We will not carry it here. Now I will give you some subtraction questions. 21 minus 4 minus 5. So 1 minus, now I will give you one subtraction question. 20 minus 5. How will we do it? 0 minus 5, we can't do. So 1. We can also keep 0 here. 1 and 1 here. 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. Our answer is 15. The next question is 52 minus 21. So 2 minus 1, which is equal to 1. And 5 minus 2, which is equal to 3. So our answer is 31. Thank you, bye. If you like, please subscribe. We will be taking many interesting videos. Bye, have a nice day.